Kobelco has launched a range of small rear swing excavators in the SR series since the first model made its debut in 1998. Keeping the machine's rear within its own width during swing has proved to be a giant step forward in ensuring a greater level of safety and reducing the operator's stress. These models are popular with customers who report that they are saving money because their machines have fewer collisions and suffer less damage. As more and more small rear swing hydraulic excavators come onto the market, they are increasingly being deployed to work in residential areas, on busy streets or during the night, and so they affect people's lives more directly. That set Kobelco thinking. Excavators need to be quieter and more people-friendly. One way we are making this possible is through the development of iNDr, the Integrated Noise and Dust Reduction Cooling System, a completely new technology designed to reduce noise. By fitting this new technology in 3 new models, the Acera Geospec Series SK135SR, SK225SR, and the SK235SR, we have achieved significant noise reduction compared with conventional models. So just what is this new iNDr technology? Most of the noise made by a hydraulic excavator comes from the engine, particularly the cooling fan. The best way to create a quieter machine is to eliminate as far as possible all the openings through which noise leaks out. But if the machine is completely sealed, it becomes much more difficult to keep the engine cool. This is the dilemma we were faced with. And here's how we approached the problem. We started off by creating an intake and outlet for the air needed for cooling and generating a full flow of air through the machine. We tried to reduce engine noise reaching the outside as much as possible by setting these intake and exit ports for airflow at a different height from the engine itself. Through a process of trial and error, we finally arrived at the best possible layout, which reduces noise significantly. In the new SK225SR and SK235SR-2 models fitted with this new technology, we have achieved the ultimate low noise level of 95 decibels. This is 5 decibels lower than the threshold set by Japan's Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport for classification as an ultra-low noise excavator. The noise level of the SK135SR-2 is even lower, at 93 decibels. To the human ear, 5 decibels makes a noticeable difference. What's more, at the side of the operator's cab, a noise reduction of 10 decibels over conventional models has been achieved. A reduction of 10 decibels is equivalent to cutting the noise level by half. The greatest concern related to installing the new iNDr technology is how to keep the cooling components clean. However, this problem has been fixed by positioning a specially designed iNDr filter at the intake port for the cooling air. This means that dirt does not have to be cleaned off the radiator, but off a filter that can easily be detached, washed, and replaced, making cleaning even simpler than with conventional models. A similar filter system was earlier installed in Kobelco's recycling equipment for use in very dusty environments. The same concept is used here, and the filter is fitted as standard, as part of the iNDr cooling system. Built-up areas, streets full of traffic, in the quiet of the night. More and more Kobelco small rear swing excavators